Okay, y'all, let's get into this natural hair tutorial. Today we're working with 2 twisted buns, and I'm going to be doing a little zigzag part just to add some little razzle dazzle to the style. As you can see, I went in and applied Wet Line Extreme Gel. I find that that is the best gel that can kind of slick my hair down, and to be quite honest with you, I'm not going for something super sleek, like, you know how you take the waves away. We're loving the texture, we're embracing that, so we're not going to do something that is like literally pulling our edges out. We don't want that. I went around and tied a rubber band and placed it where I felt comfortable. I would have probably put the buns a little closer together, but it's okay because I love the end result. And whenever you are working with slick styles, when you do slick buns, top knots, you want to make sure that you do not tie the rubber band extra tight. I went around 4 times, and that was perfect to the point where it wasn't loose, but it wasn't tight either. Now we're going to go in, and I was trying to go for this look called the twisted buns, okay? Now, although it didn't actually turn out that way, I still loved the end result like I mentioned. I'm going to have to look up a tutorial for real on how to do it. It's kind of like you're forming a bantu knot, but you're not wrapping it around and around in a neat form. You're just letting the twirl, the rotation fall naturally wherever it wants to fall, and I secure it just by applying a bobby pin. And so I didn't tuck my ends away. I wanted it to be very natural all over the place, but still kind of structured, if that makes sense. And as you can see, I did twist one section on each bun. Girl, I don't know why I did that. My brain was just like, that's gonna work for me, so that's what I did. And so I continue to start to twist and roll, and then I push it towards my bun to see naturally how it's going to fall, and then bobby pin it to secure it. I hope that makes enough sense. If you don't follow me, just do whatever you feel you need to do to make this style cute. You can do 2 regular top knots, whatever you feel like doing, girl. It's totally fine. I'm going to let you guys watch this side at regular speed, and then the next side we're going to speed it on up.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
So now we are working on defining our curly pieces. I just use Wet Line Extreme Gel to do this. That also defines my curls really well. It does make it a little crunchy, so if you're not looking for a super defined look, then probably don't do that. Maybe going with like a mousse or something very lightweight. Defining your curly pieces are definitely optional. Don't ever feel like you need to do this. If you want a sleek look where you have a perfect bun, go ahead and do that, girl. So now we're going in with the V-show hair. I absolutely love this wig. Oh my gosh, it's like the easiest wig to deal with in life. It's a V-part wig, but I will say you may be better off with the half wig since this is literally a half style. So don't expect too much from this wig, because I'm going to show you real quick at the end that there is a bit of space to where you kind of want to blend your natural hair with it a little bit more. So I would recommend doing the crochet method, because that is going to make it look like it's coming out your scalp. Now, lazy me didn't do that. Girl, come save me, because I just don't be having the time, okay? So yeah, that is definitely optional if you're afraid or like cautious of people looking at your head. Like, go ahead and blend the best way that you can, girl. Now you see me doing my edges, and girl, I have an edges tutorial from years ago. If you want me to do an updated one, I will. I go ahead and do it, but it's really nothing to it. Just wet line and a gel that is like a pomade on top. I've done that for years. That's something that works for me. Does it stay all day? Not all the time, especially if you're sweating, but I do like that when it kind of starts messing up, it looks natural. Like, that's just how it's supposed to look. It doesn't look done up on purpose. It looks natural at the end of the day. And I don't know if you guys seen this little trick. You take the end of your rat tail comb and smooth it into the bun, and that kind of keeps your flyaways away. So this wig was a little wet, so I just wanted to diffuse it a little bit to get better results.
Throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
At this point, I started feeling the hairstyle. I wasn't feeling it too much when I put it on. But girl, best believe when I did these edges, I said, ooh, girl, look at that. I loved it. I instantly fell in love. And I also feel like this is the little high school me living through all the hairstyles that I used to do. I absolutely would have did this in high school. I am 24 years old. I'm going to do it again. Okay?
Hard drive full of heat seek. Trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy.
Now, I'm not going to zoom in on this, but I literally said don't look at that. Okay? If you enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her.